many Google Chrome extensions available in Google Web Store. It's just like downloading an Android app from the Play Store. Which is why I've made this video. So today I'll be telling you some cool Google Chrome extensions that are useful for your browser. So let's get started. Do you guys know that you can change the Google background? Well, here's how to do it. All you have to do is just search for Google Custom Background on the Web Store. Download the extension which is at the top of the list as shown in the video. Install it and you can change the background. So you won't get bored every time when you go on google.com. Second one on the list is what font. Want to find which kind of font do the websites use? Well, you can surely find it. All you have to do is just search for what font on the web store, download the extension, install it, and you can see the rest. So this is how to use it. You have to just click on the what font extension, and then whenever you will move the pointer, the details of the font will be shown. Like this. Now you know what kind of font these websites use. Next on the list is email tracking. Want to find the mail you sent was read or not? Well, here's how to do it. You have to download the extension email tracking from the web store. So here's how to use it. First, create the account on email tracking. Next, I'll show you a trial of how to use the email tracking. I'll send an email to my channel. Now as you can see, the mail has been sent. Now you can see that there is only one green tick. Now once I'll read this mail, 2 green ticks will appear. I'll be reading this mail on my phone. There you go. I have read the mail on my phone, and now you can see that 2 double ticks have been appeared. Next on the list is ad blocks. Want to hide the ads that we see on the websites? For example, let's take the example of YouTube. Now you can see these ads that we often see. Want to hide this kind of ads? Well, here's how to do it. Go on Web Store, download the extension ad blocks, install it, and your ads will be blocked. Next is stay focused. We waste a lot of time on the internet by watching videos or playing online games, or maybe something different. Due to this, we doesn't know how much time we wasted on the internet, which is why Stay Focused is pretty handy to use. Download the Stay Focused from the web store, install it, and I'll show you a demo. Now I have played a video of my channel and I've set the timer on Stay Focused for 10 minutes. So here's what happens. After 10 minutes of use, the website automatically gets blocked for some few hours. As you can see, the time is ticking by. It's almost 1 minute and 15 seconds left. You will see the result when the time is over.